Today I'm going to show you how to update a card using Trello in N8N, step by step. This is a simple but powerful workflow setup that lets you automate card updates without doing everything manually. If you work with project boards, task tracking, or team workflows, this can save you time and keep your boards organized. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This is the workflow where you'll add the Trello action, so make sure you're working in the right place before you start. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and search for Trello. When you see it, select it to add the Trello node to your workflow. After that, choose Update as a card from the available Trello actions. This is the option that lets you modify an existing card on your board. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This tells N8N which Trello account or connection it should use for the update. Make sure the credential is correct and has access to the board and card you want to edit. Then configure what you want to update. Depending on your workflow, this could include the card name, description, due date, labels, or other available fields. Set the values you want updated so the card changes exactly the way you need. After that, your Trello node is ready to use. You can connect it to the rest of your workflow and test it to make sure the card updates correctly. That's it! You've now set up a Trello update card action in N8N. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.